जिनको अवार्ड रिवॉर्ड है और जो कार्टून में नहीं है, या एथलेटिक का मेडल है या
अरे तयार आहे श्रमा.
पुनून येवकार दिता. मानेस्त मुखेल सोयरे आता अग्निशामक दलाच्या ध्वजाचे अनावरण करतले.
जनरल सल्यूट. सल्यूट.
मानेस्त मुखेल सोयऱ्यांनी अग्निशामक दलाच्या जवानाकडल्यान मानवंदना स्वीकारलेली आसा.
एंड 7 एन इंस्पेक्शन परेड के अवसर पर गोवा राज्य अग्निशमक दल के 220 जवान 12 ऑफिसर परेड पर परेड आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर श्रीमान.
सातविसाव्या गोंय राज्य अग्निशामक दलाच्या वर्सुकी संचालनाचे निरीक्षणाक सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. मानेस्त मुखेल सोयरे भोवमानेस्त मुखेलमंत्र्यांचे सचिव श्री अश्विन चंद्र IAS संचालनाचे निरीक्षण करतात. तांच्या सांगाताक आसात गोंय अग्निशामक दलाचे संचालक श्री नितीन रायकर आणि परेड कमांडर हरकुलन गिल सोजा. पहिलो पंगड ताचे नेतृत्व करतात रुपेश सावंत. दुसऱ्या पंगडाचे नेतृत्व करतात संतोष गावस. असिस्टंट परेड कमांडर जावन आसा गणेश गोवेकर. तिसरे पंगड नेतृत्व करतात दिलीप गावस. चौथं प्लाटून घेवन आसात स्टेशन ऑफिसर राहुल देसाई. संत गतीन जीप 5व्या प्लाटूनाकडे पाविल्ली आसा. 5व्या प्लाटूनाचे नेतृत्व करता स्टेशन ऑफिसर सुशील मोरजकर. सकाळ फुडचे प्रसन्न वातावरण आणि ह्या वातावरणात अग्निशामक दलाचो वाद्यवृंद पंगड सुरेल सुरावटी खेळत या वातावरणात एक वेगळे चैतन्य निर्माण जाता. पायलट जीप 10व्या प्लाटूनाकडे पाविल्ली आसा. 10व्या प्लाटूनाचे नेतृत्व करतात स्टेशन ऑफिसर दामोदर जांबावलीकर. 9वं प्लाटून नेतृत्व करतात सब ऑफिसर राम. Platoon सनी पायले. सौरभ प्लाटूनचे नेतृत्व करतात. स्टेशन सगळ्या प्लाटूनाचे निरीक्षण केले उपरांत मानेस्त मुखेल सोयरे पायलट शिपींतल्यान परत वेदये कडेन येतात.
परेड मार्च पास करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं श्रीमान.
परेडीची पळोवणी सोंपले उपरांत परेड कमांडर गिल सोजा हांणी मुखेल सोयऱ्या कडल्यान मार्च पास करपाची आज्ञा मेळिल्ली आसा.
परेड निकट लाइन चल. परेड 20 कदम के फासले पर प्लाटूनों के कॉलम में दाहिने से मन से गुजरेगी. नंबर 1 प्लाटून आगे. परेड 3-3 में डान चलेगी. दाहिने मुड़.
सात्तीसाव्या वर्सुकी निरीक्षण दीस संचलनाची सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. एक शिस्तबद्ध अशें अग्निशामक दलाच्या जवानांचे हे संचलन. संचलनाचे नेतृत्व करतात स्टेशन ऑफिसर एच गिल सोजा. परेड कमांडर आणि तांकां तेको दिता असिस्टंट परेड कमांडर स्टेशन ऑफिसर्स गणेश गोवेकर. पयलो प्लाटून घेवन मुखार आयिल्ले श्री रुपेश सावंत स्टेशन ऑफिसर. दुसऱ्या प्लाटूनाचे नेतृत्व करतात स्टेशन ऑफिसर संतोष गावस. हांव सगळ्या लागीं मागता की तांणी हे संचलन करपी प्लाटूनाचे ताळयो वाजोवन तांकां उर्बा दिवची, तांची उमेद वाडोवची. तिसरो प्लाटून घेवन फुडें आयिल्ले आसा स्टेशन ऑफिसर दिलीप गावस. चौथ्या प्लाटूनाचे नेतृत्व करतात स्टेशन ऑफिसर राहुल देसाई. पाचवा प्लाटून घेऊन फुडें आयिल्ले आसा स्टेशन ऑफिसर सुशील मोरजकर. सदांच आकांताच्या वेळार धांवून वचपी अग्निशामक दलाचे जवान पावलार पावलो मेळीत संत गतीन वेदये कडल्यान फुडें सरकतात. सव्या प्लाटूनाचे नेतृत्व करतात स्टेशन ऑफिसर तृप्तेश नाईक. वाद्यवृंदाच्या तालार सातवा प्लाटून घेऊन फुडें आयिल्ले आसा सब ऑफिसर सनी फायदे. एक उत्कृष्ट संचलनाचो नमुनो तुमच्या मुखार दवरतात. सातवा प्लाटून घेऊन आठवा प्लाटून घेऊन आयिल्ले आसा सब ऑफिसर वसंत गावस. राज्य अग्निशामक दलाचो वाद्यवृंद मंडळ नेतृत्व करता बँडमास्टर आंतोनियो अझुवेदो. नववो प्लाटून घेऊन फुडें आयल्या सब ऑफिसर राम परब. अग्निशामक दलाचो फायर रिटार्डंट गणवेश. धावो प्लाटून घेऊन फुडें आयल्यात स्टेशन ऑफिसर दामोदर जांबावलीकर. मुखार सादर झाले 37व्या वर्सुकी निरीक्षण दीस सोहळ्याचे हे संचलन. एक शिस्तबद्ध संचलन. अग्निशामक दलाच्या जवाना कडल्यान तुमकां आज हांगा पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें.
परेड सावधान. परेड सर्जिकी सर्च. परेड सामने टेक. परेड वेश रन.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग भवेत्.
May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Om peace, peace and peace.
असो दीस केन्ना आयलो ना
असो दीस केन्ना येवचो ना. असो दीस केन्ना आयलो ना, असो दीस केन्ना येवचो ना. जसो तो आयज आयला तसो परत केन्नाच येवचो ना. I welcome all of you to this beautiful awakened campus of ours. आमच्या ह्या सोबीत सुंदर सजयल्ल्या वाठारांत तुमकां सगळ्यांक माये मोगाचो काळजान सावन येवकार. आज गोंय राज्य अग्निशामक दलाचो 36वो वर्सुकी निरीक्षण दीस सुवाळो. आयच्या ह्या दिसा सकाळी फुडें आमच्या संचालकां वरवीं दर एक जवान आनी अधिकाऱ्याचें निरीक्षण केलें वता. तांचो युनिफॉर्म, तांचो टर्नआउट हाचें इन्स्पेक्शन जाता आनी जे स्मार्ट टर्नआउटान आसतात त्या अधिकारी आनी जवानांक आमी आयच्या दिसा इनामां भेटयतात. निरीक्षण दीस सुवाळ्याच्या निमतान दर एका जवानाची शारिरीक क्षमता तपासली वता आनी ताका लागून हाका जोडून आमी वर्सभर साबार कार्यावळी हातान घेतात. जातून एन्युअल ड्रील कॉम्पिटिशन जाता, एन्युअल स्पोर्ट्स मीट जाता, एन्युअल एथलेटीक मीट अशी विंगड विंगड स्पर्धाय आमी घेतात. सगळ्यांचे स्वास्थ्य म्हणजे आरोग्य बरें उरचें म्हणून प्रयत्न केले वतात. तशेंच हे सगळ्या जवानां मदीं एकसंघपणाची भावना रुजवत उरची म्हणून आमी प्रयत्न करतात. आनी हाचेच उदाहरण म्हणल्यार आतांच तुमी पळयल्लें आमच्या जवानांचें हें शानदार अशें संचलन. म्हाका सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता की फाटले 8 दीस जाले हे सगळे जवान आनी अधिकारी ह्या संचलनाची तयारी करपाक गुंतलेले. परतून एकदां हांव सगळ्यांक माये मोगाचो येवकार दितां आनी मागतां गोंय राज्य अग्निशामक दलाचे संचालक श्री नितीन रायकार हांचे लागीं की तांणी आमच्या आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचे मुखेल सोयरे भोवमानेस्त मुखेलमंत्र्यांचे सचिव श्री अश्विन चंद्रुये IAS हांकां फुलां भेटोवन ह्या दबाज्याक येवकार दिवचे. देव बरें.
Respected Shri Ashwin Chandru Sir, IAS, Secretary to Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Goa, esteemed guests, members of the print and electronic media, my retired and serving colleague officers from the fire and emergency services, as well as the children, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome you all to this esteemed momentous occasion of our Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services. It is a great honor to extend a warm welcome to each one of you. The annual Inspection Day Parade stands as a testament to our department's dedication, providing platform to demonstrate our operational excellence and gain invaluable insight from our administrative heads on strengthening our services to the state. It is also an opportunity to showcase our achievements and reaffirm our ambitious vision for the future. We uphold a steadfast tradition of a monthly parade, ensuring the operational readiness and impeccable discipline of our field. The annual Inspection Day Parade marks the culmination and these efforts with the awards presented serving as a powerful catalyst for excellence, driving higher standard of performance and professionalism. The department has initiated awareness program in disaster preparedness and fire safety for the village panchayat citizens in the year 2024. During the year 2024, almost 3,468 village panchayat citizens have been trained by our department. Department, with the help of mobile fire safety educational van, which has traveled and various places such as public places, government places, government departments, etc., imparted training to almost 3,468 citizens altogether. And the students benefited in a basic fire safety training program. In the year 2024, the Goa State Fire Force Training Center, which is also designated as a regional training center, we have trained almost 235 sponsored candidates in various aspects of the basic fire safety, general fire prevention and firefighting, and the disaster management as well. Additionally, the department trained 53 trainees in the sub-officer course sponsored by the National Fire Service College, Ministry of Home Affairs, Nagpur. Furthermore, the department conducted practical attachment courses also for 101 trainees sponsored by the same institution. Currently, the Goa State Fire Force Training Center is providing training to 13 newly recruited driver operator, 7 watchroom operator, 31 firefighters and 30 trainees sponsored by the National Fire Service College, Ministry of Home Affairs, Nagpur. During the period 2024, the fire and emergency services have collectively attended 8,948 fire and emergency calls, which includes 2,524 fire calls and 422 emergency calls, during which 436 human lives and 810 animal lives were saved. These 42.76 crores have been saved, salvaged due to the timely action and the prompt action of our fire personnel. The effectiveness of any public services organization is at its peak, which it harnesses active cooperation and unwavering support from the community. The department has thrived on the strong collaboration of various stakeholders driving the achievement of this common mission. I once again welcome you all for sparing their precious time for gracing the event. Thank you very much. Dev Bare Kuru.
गोंय राज्य अग्निशामक दल वर्सान वर्सा आपल्या जवानांचे ऑपरेशनल फिटनेस आणि फिजिकल फिटनेस चेक करपाक लागून एन्युअल ड्रिल कॉम्पिटिशन घडोवन हाडटा. अंदूच्या वर्सा 11 जानेवारी 2025 ह्या दिसा गोंय राज्यांतल्या 17 फायर स्टेशनाचे एन्युअल ड्रिल कॉम्पिटिशन हांगा जाल्लें. जातून भितर स्कॉट ड्रिल, पंप ड्रिल, लॅडर रेस्क्यू ड्रिल आणि टग ऑफ वॉर असे साबार इव्हेंट आशिल्ले. आता आमी पळोवया जो रेस्क्यू लॅडर रेस्क्यू ड्रिल जाल्लो तातूंत टॉप केल्लो फायर फोर्स हेडक्वॉर्टर्सचो क्रू, जाणी 1 मिनीट 38 सेकंदां भितर हो ड्रिल केल्लो. आयज तो आपलो टायमींग दवरपाक ते कामयाब जातात काय ना हें पळोवया.
सगळ्यांनी तांकां मोठ्यान ताळयो मारच्यो. जोरो. प्लीज लाइन अप. वसंत गावस, श्याम गांवकर, दशरथ जोरो. दिलीप गावस, स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर, फायर फोर्स हेडक्वार्टर्स, पणजी. The winners were Fire Force Headquarters, Panji, Shri Bipin Gad, who has done the record break of 1 minute 34 seconds today. बिपिन गाडाक एक फाटी सगळ्यांनी ताळयो मारच्यो. Second, in pump drill we had Bapsa Fire Station at the first position. Shri Ganesh Govekar, Station Fire Officer, to receive the trophy for the pump drill. Position was Bicholim Fire Station. Shri Rahul Desai, Station Fire Officer, in charge of Bicholim, to receive the trophy. In tug of war, Fire Force Headquarters were adjudged the best. Sri Dylan Rodriguez, firefighter, to receive the trophy for tug of war. We had annual sports game from 20. And the winners were Central Zone Ponda, Sri Sushil Moroska, Station Fire Officer, to receive the. Sri Aniket Amondkar, firefighter, captain of the football team, to receive the trophy for runners-up in football. Driver operator, to receive the trophy. Captain of the volleyball team for Central Zone, to receive the trophy. Now zone goes to Fire Station Panaji. The in charge of Fire Station Panaji, Shri Rupesh Sawant, to receive the trophy for best in South Zone. Fire Station Kunkolim was the best maintained fire station, best maintained fire appliances. In charge of Bicholim Fire Station, Shri Rahul Desai, to receive the. Here we also honor the fire premises. In South Zone, Fire Station Kunkolim was best maintained fire. We had Fire Station Kundaim is adjudged as the best maintained fire station in the center. We had annual inspection of all the officers and jawans by the Director Fire and Emergency Services in the morning. And we would like to honor the fire personnel for their best turnout. In Station Officers, Sri Damodar Zambaulikar, Kurcharam Fire Station. Next, Shri Bharat A. Gauss, Sub Officer. Shri Bharat Gauss, Sub Officer. Shri Umesh S. Nimlekar. Driver operator Shri Lakshmikant S. Salgaonkar. Firefighter Shri Hitesh B. Parab. Firefighter Shri. For the year 24-25 goes to platoon number 10. Shri Damodar Zamaulika, Station Fire Officer, to receive the trophy for the best platoon. दलाच्या मुख्यालयान अशे सुवाळ्याक आयज आमचे मदीं आसात आनी आमी उत्सूक जावन आसात तांचे विचार तांचे मार्गदर्शन
Director of Fire Services, officers, firefighters, distinguished guests, and all present. I am honored to be here today as the chief guest on this annual Inspection Day parade of the Goa Fire and Emergency Services. First, I would like to appreciate the brilliant display showcased by the personals of Fire Department today. Today's parade and inspection showcase the highest level of preparedness and commitment of this exceptional force. This occasion highlights the dedication, discipline, and professionalism of our firefighters who remain committed to safeguarding lives and property across the state. Over the past 38 years, the Goa Fire Department has grown into a multi-hazard response force, excelling in fire prevention, suppression, and emergency response. More than just a firefighting unit, it has become a lifeline during disasters. This I have experienced firsthand when I was serving as the collector of South Goa, wherein in any disaster incidents such as forest fires, flooding, fallen trees, fire incidents, the fire department has been the first and the most reliable department. I commend Director Nitin Raikar and the entire team for their remarkable service. The government of Goa, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, recognizes the achievements of the department and is also aware of the challenges faced by the department in terms of manpower, equipment, and infrastructure, and it is actively working on bridging these gaps. The fire station at Bicholim is under construction, while the fire station at Walpoi is completed and soon will be inaugurated, reinforcing the government's commitment to fire safety. I'm particularly proud of the Goa State Fire Force Training Center, which has gained national recognition for training both government and non-governmental organizations. Its sub-officer training on behalf of the National Fire Service College, Ministry of Home Affairs is a significant achievement. Additionally, training of 400 Apata Mitras Saki volunteers is completed, and the ongoing training of trainers program, where 20 trainees from Goa and Lakshadweep will later train 900 Yuva Apata Mitras, highlighting the department's dedication to community-based disaster preparedness. Another key initiative of the fire safety and disaster preparedness is the Fire Safety and the Disaster Preparedness Awareness Program, which educates school teachers, students, community volunteers at village panchayat level. Strengthening this program will ensure fire safety awareness reaches the even most remotest of the areas. Further, the department is steadily upgrading its facilities and acquiring advanced firefighting equipment. The government remains committed to supporting the procurement of rescue tools, especially for high-rise buildings and major disaster management, which is essential in Goa's rapidly urbanizing landscape. The annual drill competition and periodic inspection help ensure firefighters remain fit, skilled, and efficient. I congratulate the winners of today's competition and encourage all the persons to continue striving for excellence. In closing, I express my gratitude to the brave men and women of Goa Fire and Emergency Services. Your courage, sacrifice, and dedication inspires us all. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, I reaffirm the government's unwavering support in strengthening this vital department. Jai Hind.
Guidance from you, which will definitely motivate our jawans.
माननीय सोयरे ज्यांका आम्ही आमंत्रण दिले ते मुजरत हांगा आयले म्हणून तांचे बी चडान चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. देव बरें आयच्या ह्या आमच्या सुवाळ्याक वगैरे फुली. तशेंच फायर सर्विसीचे अधिकारी आनी जवान जे फाटले 8 दीस ह्या संचालनाची ह्या सगळ्या सुवाळ्याची प्रॅक्टीस करताले आनी खूब अपार कश्ट घेतलेले आसा. आयचो जो सुवाळो आसा ती जवानांचेर बी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ज्यांनी आपलो हातभार मेळ्ळो, ज्यांनी आपलो तेंको दिलो, सुवाळो हांगा सोंपता. पूण सोंपचे पयलीं सगळ्या लागीं मागता की एक फावटी राष्ट्रवादी कारणांनी आमी उबे रावया.
So these are the various types of firefighting equipment that we have. This is a pressure ventilation system for firefighting. These are different types of plants that we have. These are the standard plants. This is what we call the plant. This is the advanced plant. And we use to save water. This is a tanker plant. This is a foam making plant. These are fighting oil fire. This is a self-contained breathing apparatus that we have. This type of use basically we cannot stop the breathing. It helps the firefighters. This is a loss of life universally. This is used basically for extricating victims during an accident. So this is a spreader. It can open a door. It can open a door. Yes. So a car accident, if a person is trapped inside, it can spread and open a door. Spread. Yes. And this is a cutter. Except railway tracks. That is there is a hard speed. This is the same similar kind of equipment, but it is a ramp. So basically, if you want a space, you use it for spring. Same type of hydraulic equipment, but this is a manual. So it's for opening doors, or for residential doors. If somebody is trapped inside, then you can use that. Okay, ma'am.